Okay, part 3 of the second generation speaker removal. Hold the camera. So I'm gonna get all this tacky material over onto the speaker side. So when I deal with my broken glass, all that glass doesn't contaminate this sticky material. And so the other thing is to take this guy out. It's just in like that, but you want to press this little black clip here to get this out like a regular Japanese car. But apparently you got to pull this red thing out. Once that's out, then that gives you real estate for your nails to come in, push it in, and then it comes out. And then this bad boy here is just a regular clip remover. Get one of these tools on Amazon for like $10 with a whole box of clips, and just put it in there and pry it off, and it'll come out. And then keep this away for little metal will connect to that. Okay, so let's see if we can find any clips in here. So I think that window clip thing is still on the window regulator. So we're gonna we have to get that switch out. Either we take it whole or we separate it from the panel and we put the electricity here, turn on the keys and the power so we can bring this up and down. So we can find that other piece that matches.
So should I bring the what do you call that? The thing, that panel.
Yeah.
With that.
So you got car keys already.
Yeah.